Okay, so again, I'm still out in the rain. Part 3. My hands are dripping wet. You can see that. My mom just called and was like, "Why are you out in the rain?" And I'm like, "I'm on my way. I want to circle the pet graveyard." My hair is wet. I'm cold. And so it's like, yeah. There's my little area underneath the briars over there. Should have gone up under there and hid. There's Hershey's grave. Yeah. Yeah. I hope all the neighborhood cats are finding a place to stay dry. A bee just flew by my head like, what in the world? I was like, I know, little guy. But, so yeah. There's my wet house. My shoes are wet. My phone screen is covered in raindrops. Here we go. There's my scissors. I was using them to cut down some briars and stuff. Oh, Lord. The rain, the rain, the rain. It's raining, it's pouring. Well, I'm home. Well, a day for the scrapbooks, that's for sure. Cold, cold, cold. Whoa! Oops. There's Fozzie. Have fun. Here's my hair, which is wet. I'm just gonna leave my shoes over there because they're wet. Laundry basket. Even my socks are wet, goodness. Hey, at least it's almost summer. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna go let my mom know I got in real quick. So I'm back up at the house. Let me show you my glasses. They're covered in raindrops. Oh, gosh. And it's raining still outside. So luckily it didn't get too wet. Have you ever noticed how when you're playing outside and it starts to rain, it always starts like when you're like as far away from your house as you can get? It's just like, seriously. Now for a snack. What should I have? Sorry about part 1 and 2 ending so shortly. Part 1 ended quickly. Oh, there's lemonade, but I had lemonade yesterday. But anyway, part 1 ended quickly because my phone had to give me a 25% notification. Let's see what's in the freezer. And that always makes it stop filming. Ooh, popsicles. And the second time my mom called me to be like, "Come in the house, it's raining." And I was like, yeah, I know. And so, I might have to eat a Nutri-Grain bar. These are good. Strawberry flavor. Yeah, I might just have to have me one of those. Put that up there. So, this is kind of like a vlog, but sorry about part 1 and 2 ending so fast. Sorry. But there's Gilbert's food. Let's go see what the ducklings are up to. Oh, look. It's like a mommy orange and 3 babies. Hello, all. Yes, I got caught in the rain. Hey, Millie. Hi. You being grumpy, Gus? You being grumpy? There are the ducklings. Yeah, they're in Cuddles' old cage. Little guy. You can see part of Bindi sticking out back here. I held her this morning. Secret needs some celery. I gotta go grab some. Secret's my cockroach. Ew. Whoa, that was loud. It sounded like I broke something, but I didn't, so it's good. Secret eats a lot, so this will do. Whoop, about dropped it. Let's see, how much battery do I have? Ooh, Ooh, not much. So guys, I guess I better end this random little vlog here, because it takes 2 hands to get Secret's food in there anyway. So, and there's Eve. We bought 5 dozen crickets yesterday at PetSmart. Guess how many she ate when we got home? Yeah, 5 dozen. So we need to buy some more. But guys, so I guess I better end this little vlog here. I'm probably gonna watch a movie. I don't know what I'm gonna watch. Maybe some Land of the Lost. If you don't know what that is, if you can't think of it right now, this is Land of the Lost. I've got all of it on disc. So anyway, guys, have an awesome day. And if you have a story where you got caught out in the rainstorm, be sure and tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.